Welcome back. In order to track the progress of a project being managed in Trello, you have lists, you have cards, and you have within the cards, you have the ability to create checklists. Now again, the checklists don't have due dates associated with each task that is going to be completed. Therefore, you want to make sure that the checklist goes into the completion of a task that is going to be tracked on the outside of the card visually. As you'll see, there is a task, date, and then there is the completion of the components of that date. So you can track your progress through the subtask, and you should also track your progress through the due date. And when you click this due date, it's actually going to show on the front of the card as being completed. And the way that it's shown is in green when compared to all of the other due dates that you see on the outside of the cards. So the question is now, if all of the tasks are completed and all of the subtasks are completed, how then can you manage this list of cards visually? And Trello does give you some alternatives. If you go to the top right menu, you're going to notice that you can archive the entire list. If you're going to reuse the list, you can archive all the cards in the list, or you can move all the cards in the list to another board. For example, if you want to keep a list called completed steps and tasks, you can move those cards into a list similar to that one. Another way to visually track your progress is to use the stickers inside of the menu. If you go in your right side menu and click stickers, you'll notice that you can drag and drop certain stickers onto a particular card. For example, you can drag and drop this checkbox into every completed task. And what this does is it gives you a visual way of being able to determine that your project is moving forward, and everyone that checks in can look to several clues that yes, the project is moving forward. They can look to the task being completed. They can look to the check off of the entire step. And they can look to a sticker or checkbox. And all of this can be administered by your team admin or you as the leader of the project. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.